Hey crochet friends! This video is a clip of a longer video I just filmed and accidentally ended up making it an hour long. The hour-long video includes everything I can think of that I know about amigurumi crochet and crocheting plushies. If you don't have an hour to spend with me today, that's okay. I broke it up into clips. In this video, I'll show you how to do this. This is how I like to do it. There are hundreds or thousands of different techniques online for crochet. You could spend years of your life on YouTube watching different technique videos. I'm just going to show you how I do it. I am going to make a magic circle. I promise it's not hard. Some people call it a magic ring. It's the same thing. I'm going to leave this much yarn as my end, and then this is connected to the big skein over there. We have our end right there. Now on my left hand, I'm going to wrap the yarn around my finger. Okay, just like that. Here's the end, and I just kind of made an X. It's gonna feel awkward to you at first. Your muscle memory isn't used to it, but I don't even think about it when I do it anymore, so it might feel awkward a few times, but then you'll get it. So with this, the long end, I'm just gonna kind of hold it back there just so it has some tension to it. So here's our X, our initial X. I'm gonna pull this up a little bit just so I don't have to struggle to fit my hook under there. Push my hook through. I'm going to pull up a loop, and then I'm going to pull through. You see, this is the long end, and then that is a magic circle. You just did it. This chain one sub stitch thing you just made, we're going to pretend it doesn't exist. You can take your finger out, and then this is the ring you're going to be working in. And when you go to crochet around, you crochet around both of these. And then you could pull it tight and it'll be like it's not even there. I'll show you another way really quickly that I know of. I wonder if I'm gonna regret having my candle burning because it's one of those like wooden wick ones, and I wonder if you can hear it. And if you can, I'm gonna be really mad at myself when I'm editing this. But here's the end. Leave like about the same amount. We don't have to weave this in later on, like if you were making a wearable. This is just going to be hidden inside, so it doesn't have to be a big amount. Now, I'm going to make a slip knot. There's tons of ways to do this. You can even use your hook to do it. I think this way is easiest. So take the long end. Try to do the same thing. Take it off your finger. You see how that is? Take the long end. Pull it through. And this now is an adjustable loop you can put on your hook. Now, this is not the way I do it, but I know other people do. And it's kind of like the different crochet hook thing. Like, people feel strongly either way. Whatever you feel comfortable with, you should do. So now we're going to chain two. So chaining is just pulling a loop through, pulling a loop through. And now what these chain two people do, instead of magic circle people, is they're gonna work all of their starting stitches into the first chain that you made. So they're gonna insert the hook right there and do their crochets and stuff and go around. And then there's not gonna really be a pull it tight moment. But this way is super easy too. If you don't like the magic circle, try this way. I'm just gonna make a magic circle. So there's the end, loop it around, hold the back, insert your hook, pull through again. If you want to learn more stuff about making plushies, go check out the longer video once you finish this clip. Okay, I hope you enjoy the little clip video. If you have any questions, just leave them for me in the comments. Bye!